Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver No Boundaries 16.2 small lightweight travel trailer. And this is a twin bed in the back that will actually fold out to a queen size bed if you want, along with the dinette and bathroom kitchen kind of in the middle. You've seen that on the floor plan that popped up there. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, and head back to the outside of this new little unit. All right, guys, we're checking out the inside of the new No Boundaries 16.2. We're going to start right here as we walk in the doorway. And you have a booth dinette on the right-hand side. Furnace down below, electric outlet there on the left. Booth dinette does go down and make into a bed if you need the extra sleeping space. There's a nice big window across the front and one on each side of the dinette area. The two on the sides of the dinette area do actually open up, so you can get a good little cross breeze going through there. Kind of panning around here on the left-hand side of the door when you first walk in. Got your electric box with your breakers and fuses. You have some shelf space. There's also a USB charger port and electric outlet down there. And from the picture that popped up there, you can kind of get a better view on the siding there, what it all kind of looks like. But little shelf area up there, optional 28-inch LED 12-volt TV. So it works off of battery power, whether you have electricity or not. As long as you got a good battery, it'll run your TV. Some light switches and awning button and stuff up there above the TV area, along with the little bottle holder opener and little key holder things. Now, looking straight ahead, we're looking at the kitchen area, which does have a little bit of storage down there below the sink. Also have the convection microwave feature there, so you can cook or microwave either one. 2-burner gas stove top up above, and you have a little traditional plastic RV square sink there with the high-rise sprayer faucet. Do have the window behind that does open up. Little pull-down shades on the windows, kind of nice. And some overhead cabinetry there. Over on the left side, you will have the new refrigerator, which was part of the model change. So you have a little 5 cubic foot Dometic gas and electric refrigerator here. So a little bit bigger than last year's version. And down below, you have a little central vacuum system. Now, basically, it's got a little central vac there on the left, and then there's a dustpan vac there on the right. They did all linoleum throughout the coach. So basically take a broom and just sweep it into the dustpan vac portion. You can purchase from the vacuum company aftermarket the hose for it if you do want, but it does not actually come with the hose. Down below there is the propane leak detector. Kind of panning up here, you've got your bathroom on the left. We'll take a peek at that here in a second. But looking toward the back, you have the twin bed section. And right now I've got it in twin bed mode, but a picture will pop up here and you can kind of see what it looks like in queen bed mode. Now there's basically a little panel that flips over across both pieces here so that you can make this into one big bed. So you got your choice. You can even use this as kind of a little bit of a seating area, you know, on a rainy day or whatever. You can kind of come back here, sit down on the bed if you want to. Kind of look around here, but spin your TV around if you need to, whatever. You got a little hanging closet up here. There's also an electric outlet up here with some USB charger ports. You can kind of see your little shelf area back here for throwing some clothes and things like that in. But you have big windows back here in the back. Again, window on both sides of the bed do open up. One going out the back section does not. Spinning back around here, looking out back toward the front section there, there's some drawers and storage space there on the left of the refrigerator. So a nice little lightweight unit, easy to tow around, you know, quick for nice quick camp trips, things like that. It will definitely get you into more of the old state parks out west and things like that, where big campers just don't fit in some of those old parks. Kind of looking into the bathroom area here, you got a little roof vent up there with a little fan built in. Mirror on the wall. Pre-wired for solar panel there. Some more monitor panel systems. Foot flush toilet. More storage down below. And then you've got your little shower pan area over here. A little picture will pop up there for you so you can see a little better. These small units are kind of hard to get good shots at with the camera, but try and do the best we can here for you. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of these new RVs as they come in and out. Trying to update as much as I can the most recent models for you. RVs are changing constantly, so it's nice to see the newest versions of things if you're looking to purchase or order something. So check out couchesrvnation.com. We're going to head on to the outside now and show you around. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new Forestriver No Boundaries 16.2 model. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the outside here now. And as you can see, again, white fiberglass they've been using here for the last few years. And this is attached to the Azdale onboard product. So instead of attaching it to a wood Luan board backer that will rot and damage from water, they went to the Azdale. It's a little bit more expensive, but will definitely make your RV last and look better longer. Deep tent safety glass windows. The ones on the sides open, the ones in the front and back do not. Power tongue jack. Has a little built-in light. Single 20-pound propane tank. You have 2 batteries that this customer did. It comes standard with 1 from RV Nation. The factory doesn't give you 1 at all. So make sure your dealer at least gives you 1, but you can opt in for 2 if you want. Large diamond plate across the front there just to kind of help in case of rocks and stuff flipping up. Propane down there. There's a little gas hookup if you want to put a portable grill or something plug in there. Jacks on all 4 corners. Traditional RV step to get in and out. This year they went from the Thule manual awning to a power awning with a LED light strip in the tube, and you have a traditional porch light over there which does turn to amber if you flip the switch the opposite way. So you got quite a bit of lighting out here for nighttime. That awning also has adjustable arms and tilting for water runoff capabilities. Standard RV entry door goes in and out, has a screen door on it as well. Little large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out. You'll have your stickers there kind of telling you your model number, also about the Azdale on board. Another thing that I really like, the little KOA care camp stuff for kids with cancer, so check that out too. Heavy duty fenders, again, if you're going more off-roading and stuff, gravel flying up, things like that, you know, it's going to hit those steel fender skirts and stuff versus just some plastic fenders that are on a lot of RVs. Those fender skirts, you know, if you need to get up onto the roof or things like that, those are standable, so you can actually stand on them. I believe off the top of my head, they're rated for about 250 pounds roughly. The underneath of the camper is also enclosed, so you have an enclosed underbelly. This customer also chose to do the winter package with the 12-volt heat pads on the holding tanks and fresh water tank. So that's a nice feature if you do more fall camping. Graphics package also changed up a little bit for mid-year model change, so a little different coloring on that. Black tank flush right there. Electric outlet also right there. We'll back up here a little bit so you can kind of see down the side a little bit better. Storage across the back section there. Has magnetic holders to hold up the doors. You have your traditional RV gutter rails with the 3-inch gutter extensions down the sides to try and help keep it clean. Looking at the back of the coach, again, LED running lights. Spare tire mounted on the back of the 4-inch square tube bumper. Bumper's a great little place to store a dump hose or something. Ladder on the back, standard, so that just helps get you up onto the roof so you can get up there. You can kind of see here on the roof there, it is a tough ply, 15-year warranted roof up here. But you can get up there, kind of maneuver around. You can see the 2 tracks there. So if you do the aftermarket Rhino rack system, Well, you can buy that actually from the factory too, but you can get it either way. Order it that way if you like, or buy them aftermarket and install them yourself if you can find a better deal. Other side of the storage compartment area right here. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater that you see right there. 15-inch Westlake tires. Torsion flex axle upgrade, nice feature. That is actually standard on the R-Pod and also the No Boundaries model, but it is an upgrade of an axle over a traditional leaf spring. So nice feature there, especially for that off-roader person. The black panels there on the slide system you can see are basically access panels for maintenance. Then on the left side is a hot and cold outside utility shower. There's a handle just below the storage door for one of the holding tanks to pull. There's another handle just to the left of the power cord there to pull for the other holding tank and dump everything. Fresh water is the black 2 little circles there on the left of the slide out. You got your freshwater city water filled. Just directly below that is your freshwater tank drain. Furnace exhaust there on the left as well. You can see 13.5 BTU air conditioning system up top. Slide out is the Schwintech slide system by Lippert. So electric slide system, push it in and out, and can be manually done if ever needed in case of a failure. Hopefully not, but you do have that feature. Weight stickers, stuff here going to pop up, kind of go over the weights and everything right there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of our RV videos. As the new stuff starts to roll in, again, I like to try and update you with the most recent stuff as soon as possible. So if you're interested in ordering, you know kind of what you're getting. The RV world changes often, so you might order something and think you're getting something you're not. But again, new 2020 and a half version here. Check it out. Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money if you're interested.